So this is one that was having a helping hand off the bottle when he was at lamb, and then his mum came into some decent milk. He didn't need our help anymore. Still relatively friendly. Don't know if it's a tup or a ewe. It's a ewe lamb as well. We'll end up with a whole flock of sheep there. That's probably why they're so friendly, to be fair. You do tend to keep the ones you've had any involvement with. I'm a bit offended. Not even worth standing up for today. Excuse me. Why aren't I getting a welcoming committee? Why am I not getting a welcoming committee? There it is. You hot. You need shearing. You need shearing, Suze. Everyone's looking pretty good up here. I've got a few limping. It's probably soreness. There's patches around this field that have got quite a lot of grass. So I'm guessing that's what's causing it. I can't see any of the lame ones now. They're here, somewhere. Could have just lied and said we've got no lame ones. What are you doing? I think we've got Dopey's lambs up here, but no Dopey. She's down the field. I have seen her, she's fine. Oh, there's one. There's 3 of them I've seen. A bit light on their front foots. So we'll get them all in this week. But yeah, you can see like the grass is still growing even with these lot up here. I'll have to bring the next lot up soon, won't we? Stinking shoes. A few of them didn't come for nuts. It's because the pet happens to be with them. There's Dopey, looking scruffy as ever. Got some nuts, guys. I'm not going to be able to hold my phone and do this, I don't think. Even though the bag's nearly empty. Oh, hang on, Dopey. Okay.